Today we're going to talk about Stitchfix. I was a Stitchfix customer years ago when they were first getting started. I really enjoyed the experience of Stitchfix, but I believe after 2 fixes I stopped. Fast forward to current date. I enjoy watching an occasional style box unboxing, and I was curious to revisit it. And so I thought I'd go back to the OG for me, which was Stitchfix, to see if my opinion had changed, if the company has changed, if we're a closer match style-wise than perhaps we were a few years back. So let's start the unboxing.
Hi and welcome back to Krista Stylista, where we talk about the style, hair, shopping, and lifestyle topics that interest you the most.
There's a mailer to send back the things that you decide not to keep. And here are the neatly wrapped items. And I'm seeing something that piques my interest in this one here. So let's start there. It says, instantly buy styles that go with what's in your fix. That's interesting. I might try the QR code to see what it comes up with. But one of the things that I don't plan on doing is matching Stitchfix with Stitchfix. I want to see if I can incorporate this into my own style rather than to be Stitchfix dressed from head to toe. So this is a Market and Spruce sweater. This is a size large, and I am purely searching for fabric content. It's 60% cotton, 25% acrylic, and 15% polyester. And one of the things that I ask for in my stitch is that we stick to natural fibers to the greatest extent possible. The highest content is natural fibers, so I'm willing to give that a shot. So I knew this Levi Strauss & Company jacket would be a part of my fix, and so I'm going to try that. Hope it works. Now there's only one more package, and it says the same thing: instantly buy styles that go with what's in your fix. The QR code. As I mentioned, I don't want to wear Stitchfix from head to toe. I want to incorporate it in my own style, and so I'm looking for pieces that fit with what I already have or may inspire me to make looks. Let's see. So we have a Eileen Fisher jumpsuit, and I did know this was coming too. It's drawstring waist. Looking for the fabric content. It says that the price is $198. It's not staying, but yeah, it's good to know. Okay, so it feels like cotton. Now we have something with eyelet material. Is this a dress? Yes, it is. It's an eyelet dress, and the brand is Whistles. It's called the Carrie Broderie Midi dress from Whistles. 100% cotton. Here it is. This final item is a coat from Rails, a reasonably good brand. I've heard great things about it. They are on sale a lot during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. They're plaid shirts, which are not of natural fibers, which bothers me because they're so expensive and they're not natural fibers. This feels okay. I doubt that it's primarily natural fibers, but maybe they'll prove me wrong. It's 51% wool, 49% polyester. Okay, worth a shot. I like the color of the coat. I'm sure because of the high natural fiber content that it's probably going to be a grip. We'll see. So now I'm going to try on a few things.
I steamed each piece. I find that clothes wear slower when I use steam rather than trying to iron. This is the Pure Enrichment Steamer. I'll leave an Amazon link below should you want to try it out yourself. Here's each item fully steamed and ready for try-on. First try-on is the Rails-Everest Jacket. It retails for $348. I think this is beautiful on. I don't like the price, so we're going to have to put this on the shelf for another day, maybe never, we'll see. Next up, this Levi's 90s trucker denim jacket for $98, and I absolutely love this one. This one is a keeper, it stays with me. Next up is this Market and Spruce sweater. It is too long, the proportions are off. It's just not for me, so it's gonna go back. One moment while I get this bun just right, but while I do that, if you're enjoying the content, please do me a big favor and take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. And now let's get back to the try-ons. This is the Eileen Fisher-Kairi knit jumpsuit in black. Immediately no. Whistles-Carrie Broderie midi dress for $299. What? Okay. If you'd like to learn more about my fall style, I'll leave a video for you here.